Well, hello everyone. When you ask somebody why you should comment your code, you get silly answers like you should help out others who are reading your code, should help out your coworkers, it's good style. But today I want to focus on more selfish reasons why you should be commenting your code. At least why you should comment your code in JavaScript using VSCode so you can take advantage of the IntelliSense. If you're a true introvert nerd like you should be as a programmer, you know that you'd probably just do it more for selfish reasons rather than helping anyone out. So let's get started. Here's a little dummy example that I have. Let's just say that you are programming, and normally what happens when you're programming is you know you wrote a code at one point. Here, let's just say that I wrote a code in the past, credentials, and it gets creds. I'm trying to remember what it did, but I couldn't remember. Now, without any comments, you can see IntelliSense tries to do something. It tries to give you some kind of output, but it's not quite clear what it actually gives and what you can input. You probably want to go search through your files. If you have a lot of files, it might take a bit to find. So you go and search your file and you find it, and then you have to read what you did in the past, 6 months ago. So let's take a look at what happens if there was a comment on this code.
So let's just say check if it was a boolean.
And so now let's take a look at what happened. Take a look at what IntelliSense does. Now you see the original, but you also see a lot of other information that would give you more indication of what it does and how to use it. Like for example, like, oh, that's right. It takes in true or false. Yeah, so the objects could be different. It could be an AWS object, or it could be a user and password object. Yeah. So yeah, this is why you should do it selfishly, because it helps you save time, so then you can just hover on it and understand what you did in the past. If you have non-selfish reasons why you should be commenting your code, let me know. I'd love to hear those, but for now, this would be your reason why.